it's Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some vintage decor ideas for a cozy home. Let's take a look. Creating a cozy home with vintage decor involves combining antique elements with warm, inviting touches. Here are some ideas to inspire you. Living room. Vintage furniture. Use a domed velvet sofa or a foam leather armchair. Pair with an antique coffee table or side tables. Colors and textures. Stick to a soft, neutral palette with whites, creams, pastels, and muted greens or blues. Accessories and accents. Use vintage mirrors, wall clocks, and picture frames to add character. Decorate with antique finds like old books, typewriters, rotary phones, or candlesticks. Incorporate vintage style glassware, ceramic vases, or enamelware. Lighting. Offer crystal candeliers, vintage lanterns, or brush sconces. Use addition bulb fixtures for a warm, retro glow. Textiles include floral or paisley pattern rugs, throw pillows or curtains. Use crocheted or embroidered table runners and bedspreads. Wall decor. Hang vintage art, botanical prints, or sepia-toned photographs. Install a gallery wall of mismatched frames for a curated look. Kitchen and dining. Display dishes in open shelves or a glass front cabinet. Use vintage jars for storing dry goods and add a portable sink for authenticity. Vintage dye ideas. Turn old window frames into wall decor. Upcycle vintage suitcases into storage or side tables. Create a feature wall with reclaimed wood or vintage wallpaper. Start small with accents. Introduce small vintage items like vases, candlesticks, or picture frames to test how West Coast coffee table to a room with sleek contemporary seating. Use windows and inspired textiles like lace curtains or floral cushions alongside neutral modern upholstery. Focus on statement pictures. Find one or two standout vintage items such as an antique candelier, a retro armchair, or a large ornate mirror. A vintage rug can anchor a room and set the tone. Shop smart. Visit thrift stores, flower markets, antique shops, or estate sales to find unique vintage items. Look online at marketplaces like Rustic, eBay, or Facebook Marketplace for affordable finds. Create a gallery wall, mix vintage artwork, and decorative plates in a gallery style arrangement. Use different frame styles for an eclectic yet cohesive look. Repurpose items. Turn an old leather into a blanket rack. Use window spreads for storage or as shelves. Transform an antique brazier into a vanity or sideboard. Use natural materials. Incorporate vintage wooden furniture, wicker baskets, or curtain decor. Opt for decor made from metals like brass or iron for an authentic look. Incorporate vintage lighting. Add additional light fixtures, lanterns, or brush sconces. A vintage style candelier can make a bold statement in any room. Display collections. Showcase vintage collections such as old books, teacups, or cameras.